Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a little initial block. Part of the noise in the background, the 3D printers are running and they're noisy. Alright, so for the initial block, we're going to make a block that's made up of your initials. It's only going to be 2 initials. I've done them before with 3, but to keep it simple, we're going to do it this way. I'm going to start. I opened up a new drawing. If I go here, new, English, standard inches. I already have it open, so I don't need to create a new one. Start a sketch. I'm going to pick a plane to draw on. Doesn't really matter for this one. I'm going to make a rectangle. I'm going to make it 1 inch by 1 inch. So I typed in the distances. You could also do it by making a rectangle any size and then dimensioning it, and the dimensions will edit the drawing. Finish sketch, extrude. I'm going to make a 1 inch cube, so I'm going to extrude it 1 inch. There's only one profile, so it automatically selects it. Click OK. Now I have my cube. Alright, I'm going to do 2 sketches. I'm going to do them on different faces. So I'm picking one face of the cube. I'm going to click text. I'm going to click on the upper right corner. Alright, I'm going to change the size to 1 inch. The font, you can pick whatever. I would stick with one that is bold or at least thicker. I'm going to, let me look at what this one is. Let me do my first initial. Yep, that's not bad. So click OK. There you go. Now that's what I'm looking for. I want some part of the letter to touch the top, some part of the letter to touch the bottom. That's the basic. If you want to shift it left to right, you can adjust it that way. But that sketch is all done. Now I'm going to do a sketch on adjacent face. So go here. I'm going to do the one right across from it instead of the top down. This will probably work easier for most everyone. Alright, let me, again, doing text, is up corner, 1 inch. I'll do a different font this time. Randomly pick one in here. Sorry about that surprise bell. So I come back in here. I'm gonna pick a font. Again, you can pick whichever one you want. I'll stay away from ones where the letters are thin. You look at Gothic. I'll do my last initial. Capital W. There we go. Alright, I click OK. Alright, it's extending past the side a little bit. Not a huge deal. I am going to move it back to at least try and center it up. I do move, click on the letter, click the base point, and kind of split difference a little bit. There we go. Could still go a little bit further, but that'll work for now. Finish sketch. Alright, now we're going to cut away everything but where the letters are. So I'm going to do extrude. instead of this option, instead of cut, I'm going to select this option. Basically, this one's where two shapes intersect is where it keeps. Everything else it gets rid of. So I select that one. I'm going to do my W first. I want it the full 1 inch so it cuts the whole way through. Click OK. I have it. Now when I look at it straight from this side, I have my W. Now I'm going to do the same thing. To the J. Okay, so here's your cutout letter block. From the front, I have my J. From the side, I have my W. This is what the 3D object would look like. Once you have that, I'm going to have everyone send theirs to me so I can print them all at once. So to convert and send the file, in case you don't remember, I'm going to click up here. I'm going to choose print. I'm going to send the 3D print service. Alright, I want an STL, stands for stereolithograph. Options, make sure it's in millimeters, because that's the unit that the 3D printer works in. Click OK. Click OK. And then you'll pick somewhere to save it. Alright, I just put letters and then initials. Click OK. I'll get a pop-up. You can just close the pop-up. And then to make it easy on me, what I'll have you do is go to your Google Drive, file, upload, and I have to go into where I saved mine, if I hopefully remember correctly. So down, letters JW. Select it, upload it, and then share it with me, and then I can print them. I'll place them all onto one plate and print them all at once. That's a quick little activity, a little practice. I have had ones where you can do a top letter too. I'll show you that. I'm just going to go back to here. I'll do one more sketch on the top. One inch. So again, you only need 2 letters. I'm doing 3 just to show you what it would look like. Sometimes with 3 letters, the letters don't work out. Alright, same basic steps. I'm going to do W first. See, with this one, the J being skinny, I'll run into a problem where it's going to cut away too much. So I end up with a J, part of the W, and not much of the letter D. So that's why we're going to do 2 letters just to be safe. 2 letters for everyone will work. Sometimes 3 letters will work, but that's the basic gist of it. So be creative, go through, and you got it.